Alright guys, it's Charlie Tango 1994 back with another YouTube video. A few weeks ago I shot two different YouTube videos about Moonraker miners. There's a later version, a Mark II, and an earlier version, a Mark I. And this is from the same manufacturer. This is the Moonraker Major, and is a much more feature-rich CB, and much more the sort of home base style than the little mobiles that you get from the Moonraker Minor. So yeah, part of the same family, as I say. Still early 80s, and quite a good looking rig, I have to say. Lots of dials, lots of switches, so you know, it satisfies everybody's needs. You know, it's got a lot going on. So to talk you through the features, I'll come to this one at the end, but you've got a tone control, so a high-low for your tone. This one's got a certain amount of noise filtering, so I think NB is noise blocker. And then you've got a three-way switch, which gives you your high power 4 watt, 0.4 watts is low power, and then PA. I never test the PA, to be fair. Perhaps it's something that I should do. And this one also has got, where usually you get a channel 9 selector, this is a three-way, so I'm not sure what off does, but you can, I suppose you can dial up and down, but you can automatically select channel 9 or flick over to 19. So what's interesting about that, we've said in a number of other videos that the calling channel back in the early 80s on the Muppet Band, you would say now, but on the standard UK 40 block was 14. So it's interesting that it does switch over to 19 rather than 14. Maybe it was different elsewhere in the UK, but certainly I remember 14 being the calling channel anyway. The other and most important switch, I would say, is that this appears to have sort of a SWA meter built into it. So this last switch gives you your calibrate, although nothing seems to work when I do it, which is possibly a good thing, I'm not sure. Your SWA, so again the needle doesn't move when I key up, and your standard signal meter, so then the needle moves. So seems to be working. There's been some receiving today. You see, needle looks a bit low at the moment. I don't think there is anybody. But yeah, I quite like it. I mean, it would be something that I would look at, simply because it has got both the mic gain and the RF gain. There's also the delta tune on there as well. So actually, I've just worked something else out as I'm talking. Let me just flick something. Now again, I was hoping something would happen when I adjusted this dial, but the needle was not moving. Anyway, where was I? Talking about the delta tune. So in a previous video, I'd said that I'm not really sure what function this performs, so I'm going to have a read up of that, and then when we see one on another rig, I'll try and include why it's called delta tune. I'm not really sure how it functions, so I want to find out about that. Again, as with the previous video I shot of the Hawk, this one actually was shipped without a microphone, and most of the other mics that I tried, I got the same issue as I got with the Hawk, in that when I keyed up, the audio came out of the microphone rather than out of the speaker, and I didn't get any audio when it was supposed to be set to receive. So I've had to nick this mic off the Hawk for now, but I've ordered another one. It is a 4-pin, as I say. I think they're just wired differently, so I have got a replacement one coming. And the power lead as well, it's a 3-pin I didn't have any of those, and it didn't come with one, so I've had to shell out not a lot, £2 or £3, to get it powered on and tested. But good news is it all seems to be working, and hoping to get, you know, fairly good amount of money for it. It is a good rig. It is tidy. I am going to run a rag over it. There's a couple of just dust marks and bits and pieces like that, but there's seriously no serious signs of aging on it. So we'll get this up on eBay. I'll post a link to that auction on the description of this video, and I'll be back to you with another video soon. Cheers then.